last topic for today's episode. We haven't really talked about really big, bulky stuff like steel or pipe or construction materials. So, how does Harbor Freight Transport tailor its services for shippers in industries like steel? I mean, my dad was spent all his life dealing with the steel industry, and so I know a bit about that. So, how do you guys tailor your services toward those big, bulky things? Aluminum, steel, piping.
Yep. So it's all about safety and having the proper material handling equipment, right? Um, all of our warehouses, we've got the heavy duty forklifts, at least 35,000 pound rated forklifts to be able to lift very heavy loads. We have what are called jibs, uh, extensions that go on to the forklifts that can effectively go into the container, to pick up long products with that jib. Um, not everybody has that type of material handling equipment that we do. For 78 years, that's what Harbor has excelled in, is the big, heavy, bulky stuff. So, um, there's also other aspects of when that type of product is loaded into ocean containers. There's blocking and bracing that has to be in place, to safely transport that in that ocean container. Or, as you're shipping outbound, you have to have the proper blocking and bracing materials as well, to transport it over the road. Harbor has been doing it for so long where, we know how to strip out that quote unquote dunnage efficiently and effectively without tearing up the ocean container. Most of that stuff is nailed into the floor of the ocean container. And then, you've got to use pry bars to pull it out and pull nails, etc. Not a lot of warehouses want to do that, right? But in order to get to that cargo and be able to manage it efficiently out of that, you've got to have the proper tools and handling equipment. And all of Harbor's facilities maintain that proper equipment to safely and efficiently handle those materials.